Hello, today we're gonna guide to how to calibrations. So when you're using the machine, sometimes calibration can be needed because when the captured image by patient, the patient holding this bar, and for in these cases can be possible to our machine is moving. In like this case, there is many cases to needed to the calibration. We have to do calibration. So when calibration is not matched by your machine, the image is not good condition. So you feel that it is something wrong. So in these cases, you need to calibration. To calibration, we need two material. So first one is calibration stick, and next one is calibration jig. Calibration stick is to making a space on the headrest. I will give how to using that later. So calibration jig, we needed to taking an image with jig 18 times. From the 1 times to 9, it started from the 1. There is a number behind of the jig. From started to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9, if we are observing the line, we needed to push up the head of the jig like this. The most important thing is to push up the jig. You don't need to like this way. Just push the head of behind the head of the jig, like this one. We will start it from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8. After arriving 18 points, the calibration is finished. Okay, back to the jig. You can start it from 5, and then you just put in on the table. You can bring the stick. When you take the stick, you just open the headrest and then just attach it stick. The function of a stick just to make a space that into the calibration jig in the machine. Just take the jig and then please locate it in the middle of the machine. Even if not the accuracy middle of the machine, it's okay. It is not important. We will make a location to the middle of the machine by program. But most important thing is there was any gap of space of machine from the jig. Okay. Move to the table. I just click the meta view icon. It's not a double click, just click one. And then click the right side of the mouse. You can see the menu and click the open file location. After click the open file location, we have to find calibration make. Just click the calibration make and double click to open. When it opens the program, it was showed of the camera to tell this location is middle or not. So if you can see, there is a circle, black circle. It can match it with light beam. Actually, this one needed to move our jig with light side. Actually, this one is a mirror image. To move the light side on the program, the jig should be moved the left side. For example, it's needed to move to the left side. Even it is moved the left side, but program is shows up the move to our jig right side. So make sure the right position is we need to move the light, the end of the dot. For example, this move to here. Okay, it's better. We can move here. It is almost done. As you can see, the position is almost done, but we needed to move a little bit because the beam should be located at the edge of the circle. So for example, moving this way. Okay. I think this jig has been located well. So we can start it. Click this button. But as I explained before, we will start it from the number 1. So you have to move your jig to number 1, and this time we. And the most important things to calibration, after located on the jig, you have to down on the cover. Okay, everything has finished, and then we will start capture the image. Click the image. This is the first time. So, and then you move to our jig from 1 to 2, and then capture the image again. Before to capture the image, you have to always click this button to save the data. Okay, after save the data, and then the location is number 2, and then we will start capture the image. Okay, after finish the capture the image, you will try to save the button again, and then move our jig to 3. Okay, and then try to capture the image. And save the image, and then move number 4 and capture. Save, and number 5 capture. save. And number 6, capture. Save. And number 7, capture. And save. And goes to number 8, capture. And save. And lastly, goes to number 9, capture. And save. After finished from number 1 to 9, you just open this current and then you just push the head of the jig like this one. Do not touch this one. You just using the push the head of the jig, and then we will start from 10 to 18. Down the current again, and then go back to page. Just click capture button again, and then save.